everybody, welcome back to RPL Service YouTube channel or IGTV. So in today's science lab, we're going to make another fun project and yet mess. I know all of you love messes, don't you think, Miss Nancy?
I love messes. That is the best. I can't wait to see what this is going to be.
So today we're going to make a confetti cannon. So it's something like this. Probably some of you have made it at school, so it's just something that's fun. So, but if you make a lot of mess, that's okay. We can vacuum it later.
Okay.
It looks something like this.
Oh my gosh.
Perfect if you have
that worked great.
New Year's or whatever. So all you need is pretty simple things. So all you need it's a craft tube roll, but if you don't have one, that's okay. You can use paper towel and you cut it into two. That's fine as well. And then you need balloon, like birthday party balloon. It doesn't need to be like expensive balloon. I find at Walmart it's really cheap. And then duct tape. You really need duct tape, not like clear packing tape or just like regular tape. It won't work, okay? And then all the confetti you can imagine. I have tissue paper, and then I have this confetti. This is like from paper shredded, so it doesn't need to be fancy. And then I also have sequins here to make it fun, okay? First thing first is you're going to stretch your balloon like so, but don't blow it. I mean, you know, just stretch it like so. And then you tie the knot at the end. Okay, so it can be tricky sometimes, but then just make a loop and then tie the knot like so. See, so you have a balloon with a knot on the top. Okay, and then you stretch it a little bit. Take your scissors and then cut it in the middle like so. So you see that there's like a loop one right there, and then your knot should be in the top. So you just cut in the loop. So just cut. It doesn't need to be perfect as long as you have this amount of ended balloon in there, okay? And then you take your crafted roll. It doesn't matter which end you put it, the same thing. It's just whichever you prefer, okay? Then you put the balloon on the top like this. So you put a blanket over one end, the hole like so. So make sure you cover the hole with your balloon. And after that, you can decorate it if you want, but it's really up to you. If you don't want to, that's fine too, okay? So then to secure your balloon, tape on the balloon that you just secure into. So like this. So I would put like a double tape on it, so just to make sure it doesn't leak at all. So like so. Take your scissors, cut it. So should have something like this. Secure, it doesn't leak when you pop it like so. So that's how you know that there's no leakage anywhere. Because when you pop it, it will make a sound like the sound. Okay, this is the fun part. So you put whatever your heart desire. You can put confetti, you can put sequins, you can put tissue paper, whatever you like. Okay, this is the fun part. And then you shoot it however you like, but remember, don't shoot it on your friend or your parent, okay? So shoot it like so. Like so. Woo! Isn't that fun?
That is so much fun, Miss Roz.
Let's do it again. So
oh my gosh, definitely.
Your sequins, and then so if you want to know, I put it until like probably a half full. Don't put it until full because otherwise there is no air to blow it out, okay? So stand back and just shut it like so. Okay, so that is our project for today. So I hope you have fun making it at home. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment down below. I will answer your question, and then don't forget to watch our Make It Monday and our story time. Until next time, I hope you have a good day at school.